Ready for the next big showdown in the smartphone world? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to drop in just 3 months, and it looks like Samsung's latest beast is going to outperform Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 versus Apple's A18 Pro chip. Let's dive into the juicy leaks and see how this underdog is ready to claim the performance crown. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Okay, so there's been a bit of confusion swirling around the processor in the S25 Ultra, but fear not, the leaks seem solid now. The US version of this phone is rocking the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, and guess what? It's already flexing some serious muscle. In Geekbench 6 tests, this thing is pushing a single-core score of 3069 and a multi-core score of 9080. And to put that into perspective, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it's got similar single-core numbers but gets outclassed in multi-core by a whopping 18%. Let that sink in for a second. Samsung is bringing the heat. Is he looking for a way to stay secure online? Try CyberGhost VPN. With over 9,000 servers worldwide, it offers lightning-fast connections and top-tier encryption to protect your privacy. Plus, you can unlock streaming content from anywhere. Use my link to get it now with 83% off and 2 months free with 2 years plan. CyberGhost, the perfect VPN for your digital freedom. But it's not just about the CPU. Graphics lovers, listen up. The S25 Ultra already blew past the iPhone 16 Pro Max in 3D Mark's Wildlife Extreme GPU test before we even got our hands on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. So expect an even bigger gap once it's fully optimized. Mobile gaming, photo editing, rendering. This thing is going to handle it all like a breeze. Now here's where things get really exciting. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is still in development. That means Samsung's engineers are fine-tuning the performance as we speak. By the time it hits the market, we're expecting even higher scores. In short, by the time this phone lands, it's going to surpass Apple's Flagship in both CPU and GPU performance. Okay, let's talk design and cameras. Samsung is sticking to its signature camera magic, but with some tweaks. The S25 Ultra is said to feature a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, a 10-megapixel telephoto, and a 50-megapixel super telephoto lens. That's 4 powerful cameras ready to turn your everyday shots into pro-level photos. And don't worry, your selfies are still covered with that 12-megapixel front camera from the S24 Ultra. And the design, sleeker and more refined with rounded corners, classy but with a serious attitude. Of course, all this power needs serious juice. The S25 Ultra packs a 5,000 milliampere battery, and with 45-watt fast charging, you'll be back up and running in no time. Long days, heavy gaming, no problem. So there you have it, folks. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute game changer, outperforming the iPhone 16 Pro Max in nearly every category, and it's still not even fully optimized yet. Samsung's not holding back this year. Excited? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because we'll be bringing you more leaks, reviews, and hands-on content as soon as we get our hands on the S25 Ultra. See you next one. Peace out.